Thanks for joining me today at InvestorIdeas.com Cleantech and Climate Change podcast, looking at today's problems and solutions for the future. I'm your host, Dawn Van Zandt, founder of InvestorIdeas.com, and hoping to share our way of making a difference in climate change. Today we're looking at hydrogen and fuel cell stocks on the run, Ballard Powered Systems, Fuel Cell Energy Inc., and Plug Power Inc. Note, all stock prices referenced were the close of January 6, 2020. Ballard Power Systems, trading on the NASDAQ, BLDP, and on the TSX, BLDP, had no news out today, but the stock closed at $8.30, up 49 cents, or 6.27% on over 3 million shares. Plug Power Inc., trading on the NASDAQ, PLUG, a leading provider of hydrogen engines and fueling stations, enabling e-mobility, announced that it had received an order at the close of 2019 from a Fortune 100 customer for hydrogen fuel cell deployments across their distribution network over the next 2 years. This contract, valued at more than $172 million, is for Plug Power's GenDrive fuel cell power, GenFuel hydrogen fuel storage and dispensing of infrastructure, and GenCare aftermarket service and support. The global total available market for material handling is currently valued at $30 billion. Plug Power's turnkey hydrogen and fuel cell solutions are attractive in high utilization environments where they have a distinct advantage as compared to batteries. Hydrogen fuel cells are adopted to increase productivity, lower operational costs, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Plug Power customers have reported a 15% productivity increase and savings per year greater than $1 million on sites with approximately 200 forklifts. To hear more podcasts, visit the Cleantech podcast page at InvestorIdeas.com. You can find it in our top template or also our audio page. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, and Google Play Music, and most audio platforms that are available to you. To help you follow and track Cleantech stocks, and Investor Ideas has created directories of publicly traded companies in the sector. You can learn more about that at InvestorIdeas.com/membership. Investor Idea also reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are always reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of all investment. Thanks, and that's it for today. Have a great day and do something good for our planet each and every day. The stock closed at $382, up 59 cents, or 18.27% on over 38 million shares. Fuel Cell Energy Inc., trading on the NASDAQ, FCEL, a global leader in delivering clean, innovative, and affordable fuel cell solutions, provided an update on the development and successful launch of production stock modules with extended life. As previously reported, the company transitioned production from its 5-year stack design to its 7-year stack design in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2018. The transition followed an innovation effort focusing on improving the stability of the core cell components as well as improving overall stack and stack module designs. The 7-year carbonate fuel cell stack life improvement was achieved with less than 5% increase in the cost of the stack module. The stock closed at $222, up 16 cents or 7.7% on over 34 million shares with a day's high of $235. Production shifted from 5 to 7 year life stack design in 2018, and subsequently performance is meeting expectations for the new design. Early prototype stacks with 2 years of operation and production stacks with more than 1 year of operation are trending according to 7-year life expectations. 40% increase in kilowatt hour output expected from each stack before module refurbishment. 40% decrease in effective cost expected per kilowatt output from longer-lived stacks, significantly reducing operating costs. Leading the industry in stack life among the high-temperature fuel cell suppliers are just some of the key highlights of that news today. Looking at the sector, according to a recent report from Fortune Business Insights, the automotive fuel cell market will reach $17.24 billion by 2026. Based on better fuel efficiency properties of vehicles will be the key factor in helping boost the market. The report goes on to say key factors promoting the automotive fuel cell market growth include better fuel efficiency, a decline in fossil fuel dependency, quick refilling, no greenhouse gas emissions in the atmosphere. Besides this, the rise in demand for incorporating alternative fuel cells in automobiles for keeping a check on environment is likely to help attract automotive fuel cell market revenue in forthcoming years. Various countries are adopting the implementation of new policies promoting hydrogen-based automobile vehicles, and this is further anticipated to increase the market share in the coming years. If you'd like to be a guest on this podcast and tell your story, please call me at 800-665-0411. For investors following fuel cell stocks, we do have a directory of publicly traded stocks. Visit InvestorIdeas/membership to learn more. To hear more podcasts, visit the Cleantech podcast page at InvestorIdeas.com. You can find it in our top template or also our audio page. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, and Google Play Music, and most audio platforms that are available to you. To help you follow and track Cleantech stocks, and Investor Ideas has created directories of publicly traded companies in the sector. You can learn more about that at InvestorIdeas.com/membership. Investor Idea also reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are always reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of all investment. Thanks, and that's it for today. Have a great day and do something good for our planet each and every day.